Hello class, this is Mrs. Barrow and I'm here to show you how to use Nearpod. I'm going to show you how to get into an assignment and complete it. You all have this assignment in your Nearpod, but it's going to have a code that is different from the code I'm using today. So let's go ahead and get started. Enter code to join a lesson. Notice this is nearpod.com. And the code is UXRVQ, and your code will be different on your activity list. So let's see what we got. Put in your name, send. All right, stuff you need to know about Nearpod. Usually there's a page that tells you who created it or what grades it's good for, maybe even how long it'll take you to complete it or the objectives. And then after that, it gets into the learning. So what does Nearpod do? It provides a learn at your own pace lesson. It has polls. It has multiple choice questions, possibly for a grade, depending on what it is on the activity lists. It has areas to draw in, and it can have virtual field trips. What do you mean learn at your own pace? You decide when to click to the next page. You may click back pages. You may review what you learned, and you may scroll back to answer non-quiz questions. Why does it have polls? Because I like to know your opinion. How do I know if it's for a grade? Again, it'll tell you on the activity list. All right, so first, try clicking back and forth. See, goes back, goes forward. Next activity is drawing. It says draw a dog. Does it look like I can draw in here? No, so let's go to the next slide. Oh look, and we have all these fun little tools here. So let's make it a blue dog. Okay. And here we go. I am not an artist. Here we go. Give him some ears. Let's change to a black nose. An eye, maybe two eyes. Most dogs have two eyes. And then also, if there was content on this page, I could use a highlighter and highlight whatever I need to know, even the dog. You can type. Right here, you click on the box, you pick the color of the text, and there you go. And then if you want to make the text bigger or smaller, you move this right here. And you may move it around. There you go. Little polka dots, just for fun. You could also add pictures from the computer that you've downloaded on Google or from elsewhere. And then, my favorite tool, you can erase. The text stays, though. So be careful what you put in text. Okay. So, go to the next one. Type these words in alphabetical order. We have zebra, giraffe, aardvark, dog, and elephant. Write them. Oh, look, we can go back. First letter in the alphabet is A. Next. Dog. Oops. Now, notice how that works. Is if I go back, it disappears. So if you find yourself with something like this, you may want to get some scrap paper and write down the answers and then type it out. So let's try that again. Okay, let's move on. Now we're going to take a poll. Do you think you'd like to use Nearpod? I think that you may want to do this instead of some items on the list, yes. You ready for quiz? Let's say I'm not. Oh. Don't forget to hit send at the end of the questions like I just did. All right, you got that one. Oh, it disappeared because we didn't hit send. Send. Now, did we miss anything else? Oh, the dog's gone. But if you see what I'm saying, it's easy to click back and notice if you've made a mistake before you actually take the quiz and submit the whole thing. So that way, if you made any mistakes, you can correct them before it's too late. Drawing a better dog this time. Not the best. Again, I'm not an art teacher. This is social studies. That and I do way better drawing with a mouse instead of this pad thing. Okay. Let's make sure we didn't miss anything else. Nope. All right. I think we're pretty confident to take the quiz. When you take quizzes, you have to go. Can't just click through. And then you take the quiz. Make sure you hit next. Otherwise it erases just like before. View the answers. I think I like that. Next to submit. And then that's it. So I would like you guys to get on Nearpod and use the code from the activity list to complete this assignment and turn it into me. Remember to use your real name or you do not get credit. So thank you very much.